Hello, this is Akshara, and this time I'm going to explain you about file manipulation using Unix, or you can say file processing. So here we had to satisfy these scenarios called create new file or open an existing file, write n bytes into the file, read n bytes from the beginning of the file, write the bytes onto the console, finally close the file. Okay, now let's go to the Unix. So I have written this in C program. Now C program starts with hash into rest.tiu.h, that's standard input output function, then string function. Now we are creating a character array of 20 bytes. This is for taking the input, and this we can consider as the buffer. Then using this fgets, I can create this I can get the input. I can get the input for in A, whatever string I need, even with the spaces. Now, for creating a file, we need to use this create, then file name. Create is a system call in Unix. Then file name .txt, and then we can give some number, whatever number you need. This will return a file descriptor which we can save it in an integer variable. So where we'll be using it to write in the file or read from the file. So file descriptor is very necessary. So remember, whenever you create or open a file, take its file descriptor integer value in an integer variable. Then everything returns some value, so I'm just saving this right value in n integer variable. Here this is considering this file descriptor. Okay, that means it is gonna write in this file, this particular file. What it's gonna write is A is the input which we took, this one in here, and then size of A, so it will set the size as whatever size of A is. Then lseek is like you saw in the question, read the n bytes from the beginning using the lseek. So we can either use the read system call, or lseek. What lseek will do is send a pointer to a offset, that's 0 because it's written from the 0, or you can give 10, 20, etc. And this 0 refers to the beginning of the file. If it is in the middle of the file, then it will be 1, and if it is from the end of the file, it will be 2. And if you are reading from the end of the file, that means 2, then you need to give this value as minus. So if you give minus 100, then it will read from the 100 byte before the last byte. Okay, that's how you can say it. Then it will read and give you. Now you can also include this read system call if you like from this file is reading, and then print. So I am as you can see this position, so I am printing this lc, as I have to print whatever I've read in the console, and then write. Position will give the lseek's position, and this is what we have to write in the console. A. Then write 1b10. It's actually for writing in the console, and then finally we have to close our file. So close our file. All the conditions are satisfied here. Now let's go and check its functioning. So since it is a C program, we need to compile it, then $a.out will make it run. So it's actually asking me for the input. I will give my name as just give hello world. Okay, so this is actually reading 10 bytes. That's why it only came till here. In the program we gave this byte offset as 10, right? Let me show you. Then it's reading and hitting in the console, and then it is giving the position, right? See, we are actually writing everything in the file, but while reading, we are only reading this 10 bytes. Okay, that's why it's only reading till WOR. So now whether it has gone into this file or not, let's see. VIEX7 file dot txt is the name. So as you can see, it has printed this whatever it read. So it stores in a buffer and then writes, and then as it was 20, as the array size was 20, so all the 20 have come over here with some at value. So this is how my program is working fine. Thank you.